So I've been cutting my husband's hair for about 6, 7 years. So I saw his hair from his barber and I was like, I could do that. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos like everyone did. And this was even before the crazy times where you couldn't get a haircut. I was like, I could do that. How much you pay? I could do that. So I've been using his wall trimmers for how long to cut his hair. So I want to kind of upgrade. So that's why I've got these clippers, because I saw that they were really kind of fit what I wanted. I wanted a larger one and a smaller one for like kind of the ears and the sides. So what I found out about this, first thing you're going to notice, this has a super nice grip on this side. This is actually really well textured. So this makes it really easy to hold. It comes with dedicated charging cables, but also a spot they can hook it. So if you are a professional barber, this will be easy, very easy for you to just hook it along your area. But this comes with two different speeds. So it has a turbo and this. So this one I did actually use to cut my son's hair, my husband's hair. So both of them, they said that it was a very clean cut. They didn't notice any pulling or snagging, and that they felt the noise level was much better than his traditional wall cleaner or clippers. This does have a great adjusters too for the height, so you actually can get a zero edge clip. And this comes with so many clip guards too, but I love too that these are actually made with metal. These are actually really easy for me to get off because it has that metal on the side. But as you can see, everything is so nicely labeled. It's one, and it'll tell you how long the hair should be. This will tell you 4.5 inches. It comes with trimmer blades also or trimmer guards for the trimmer. And the same thing too, this has the turbo. This will also tell you the battery percentage. So this is how loud it is. Same charging cable, same hook. So if you're looking for new clippers, these ones I really felt were really great. They're super powerful. They have a really precision cut. I felt like this one was really easy to get around the ears and the sideburns of my husband's hair and really get the neck. I was able to get a very clean line and a really perfect fade. So if you're looking to upgrade, definitely check